Okay, so I just received this C190 helicopter from RCERA, and it looks gorgeous. It's very similar to the C189, and what I'm going to do is now fly it and see how it flies. It's the first maiden flight right here in my basement. It has a Fenestron fan. It came with 2 batteries, spare blades, and charging cable, the manual. And the manual is basically basic, but yeah, basically basic, very smart. Anyways, it's nice in that it has enough details, and I think this time around they actually explain the secret hover mode that you could do with most of these RCERA helicopters to set the trim for the flight controller. Anyways, so I'm going to put the batteries in here. These didn't come with it. I'm just going to put the batteries in here, and first I'm firing it up for the first time right here. Hopefully it'll be, I'm not going to do any trimming, nothing, right out of the box. Let's see what comes out. Okay, I did charge the batteries. First battery being charged goes in here, basically just locks in. I'm going to turn on the transmitter first, and then locks in, and then the helicopter on now. Very similar to what we were used to on the C189. And here we're going to put her down. Lights are flickering, pretty interesting looking. So again, go up and down. Same concept, okay? Let's see, go down there. There we go. First flight, guys. Whoa. Land. Okay, now that was on the first bar. Let's go on the third one. It's supposed to be, this is like more aggressive. Yep, more aggressive for sure. Flies nice, very nice. Very nice control so far, right out of the box. I'm not sure what the flashing light is. We'll have to figure that out. Maybe not charged, but very nice. I like it a lot. It's a little bit loud, but you know what? That'll die down. It's consistently loud. Land it. I'm gonna do a landing, one button landing. Okay, let's do a one button takeoff. Okay, it stops right. You gotta stop it right there. All right, landing again. Very nice. I'm happy with it. It's pretty impressive. Very similar to the C189. But I'm sure there's some who would want to go change everything on it, but it's beautiful. Good job, RCERA.